Need an easy way to pack a bunch of good protein into a tiny package? Then a protein bar may be your best bet. These power-packed squares can help you get in just the right amount of nutrients for a meal, help you fight hunger between meals, or even serve as an after-workout snack. But be careful, some store-bought protein bars have as many calories and fat as a common candy bar, so make sure you choose wisely. If you're the DIY type, here's a great recipe for an at-home energy bar. Mix 1 cup of rolled oats with a ½ cup of raisins and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Then add a ½ cup of almond butter and 3 tablespoons of maple syrup. Mix everything together. Spread the mixture in a pan and refrigerate for 2 hours. Slice into bar form and enjoy this delicious protein-filled snack when you're on the go. Click on an option to continue. And if you have any health questions, make sure to reach out to your local HCA facilities for more information.